What's up, everybody? This is Planet Earth here. Part 2 is coming out now. We are driving on Card Sound Road. I want to record this before the possible hurricane. I want to record this to show you guys before Hurricane Irma possibly destroys everybody that knows Key Largo, Key West. I don't know, but I wouldn't stay if I was a. And then even the cop is like, "Fuck this shit." Damn, he's like, "Fuck this shit" too. Even the cop is saying, "Fuck this shit." Holy shit, that's bad when the cop says, "Fuck this shit." This ain't no Labor Day shit. This is fucking worse than Labor Day. Look, everybody's fucking leaving. It's a constant flow of cars, and it never stops. Well, there was some pauses. Never mind. Yep. Then there's another cell phone tower right there. That is a Verizon tower, by the way. I have. Oh no, it is not. It is an AT&T tower. My bad. My bad. My bad. Okay, part 2. Wait, is that was a Verizon tower? Nope, that was not a Verizon tower. The other one was a Verizon tower, and I got 2 bars of service. I'm band 4. Okay. Oh, I should have just got myself a cell phone. I should have bought a cell phone for the hurricaning so I can have an extra battery. Fuck! I gotta go buy a cell phone tomorrow. Because I don't know what's gonna happen in the next few days. I should go buy a cell phone. And those cops don't give a fuck. Everybody's like, everybody's fucking speeding and cops don't give a fuck. I kind of understand where they're coming from. Okay, we've got the oil change, got a full tank of gas. We'll get another full tank of gas before the gas gets really bad and scarce. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Look at this. There's water right there. That's going to come over this road easily. It's going to flood it. Alright, this is part 2. We're almost to that toll road now, whatever the fuck they call it, and bridge. I'm going to record the bridge because it could be the last time. Well, it'll still be there, so. Look, there's water right here, by the way. Guys, there's water right there. I know you can see it flashing. That's water right there, man. It's a waterway of some sort. And the alligators are going to be out. Oh, I forgot about all the life out here. All the animal life and shit. They're going to be affected really bad by those winds. All this shit's going to get blown the fuck over, dude. Oh my God gracious, goodly googly gosh. Gosh. I'm the only one going this way. I cannot believe it. There's not one car going this way. What the fuck? Woo! Woo! There's not one car coming this way. Oh yeah, there's one. I see one now. Alright, good. Okay. Alright guys, we gotta keep going no matter what. No matter what. Keep going, motherfucker. Motherfucker. Just keep on going. Go, motherfucker, go, motherfucker, go. Go, motherfucker, go, motherfucker, go. Go, motherfucker, go, motherfucker, go. Go, Ben, go. You can do it. You can do it. Are they fishing? What the fuck? Are they fishing? What the fuck? You guys are fishing for some food before you gotta leave or what? You're fishing too, aren't you? What the fuck? Only in Florida you'll see that. There is nowhere else you'll see that shit. No. Not that I know of. Okay, this toll road should have been closed. No boat or jet ski access on Card Sound Road. Welcome to the Florida Keys, Monroe County. No toll. No toll. Goodbye, bitch. No toll? Of course there'd be no toll. I wouldn't charge a toll to somebody anyway. Here we go. Card Sound Bridge. Hurricane, 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 hurricane. I wouldn't want to be out here during a hurricane. No way. Whee! Ah! Damn, son. It's so beautiful here. Damn, son. Damn. Look how beautiful it is. Carts on toll road. Bye. Here's the islands of North Key Largo. Crocodile Lake. Yep. Okay, there's probably a lot of mosquitoes out here. Just wanted you to know that, baby, you're the best. Look how close that water is. Any wind and that shit will blow over this road. Card Sound Road. La 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 la. La la la. Hey, at least I got no traffic going this way. Yeah, no shit. Whoa. Okay, welcome to the island. No. Ah, there's water everywhere. Oh yeah, it's an island. Alright, part 3 is coming up. Part 3, and then after that I can't really record anymore. Yeah. But I'm just recording because this is what's going to happen. It's going to destroy everything. Fisherman, get your fish. You know, some of these people probably don't even know what the hell's going to happen. Whoa! Alright, here's North Key Largo, the richest area of all the islands, by the way, because they got a little town in North Key Largo that you cannot access unless you're like a VIP, and you can't access it. But I thought I would record this video because I don't know if anybody else is going to be doing this before the after. I'm not driving after. No way, dude. Not till at least a month after the hurricane. And hopefully they'll have all the roads closed, or fucking cleaned off by then. Whoa! Those axles though, son. Those axles, son.